Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space, and in this video I'll be taking you through how you can transfer your crypto or whatsoever crypto USDT from Binance to Bybit wallet. So this video is actually a complete video to actually take you through how to go about it. But in this case, the crypto I want to transfer is the USDT. So click on the assets that you want to transfer. So your assets can either be in the funding wallet or spot wallet, so whichever one that you want to actually transfer from. So any of them, you'll be able to withdraw that. Do you get it? So all right, so click on USDT. That is what I want to transfer. So if it is yours, whichever amount you also want to transfer, you can also get that done. So all right, so now what am I going to do? I actually want to withdraw all of this from my Binance to the Bybit wallet. So now you are going to click on withdrawal, as you have it down here. Click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, it will ask you to select between the two. So you are going to select the first one, send via crypto network. So once you have that, then you can now go to your Bybit, that is the receiving account, receiving wallet. So it's telling you that the current seller, okay, so depending on your network, so just click on trust. So now let us go to Bybit to go and copy the wallet address that I will be sending this to. This is a very much important aspect of this video. You should not afford to lose it, because once you miss out on the wallet address and you copy it wrongly, whatever you are sending is going to be lost. So please focus. So right now, let me switch to Bybit. So now this is Bybit. So I'm going to click on deposit. So if you should also have this on your welcome interface. So click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you are going to see other things here. So click on deposit crypto. Deposit crypto. So once you click on deposit crypto, you will have several tokens available. So you can just search, type in your whatever you want to deposit here. So but in this case it is USDT. You can just type in USDT. So then you have it here. So just select it. So once you select it, which network are you actually sending from? Which network? So you have different network. This is also a very much important aspect that you should not miss out. The network that you are selecting here in Bybit must be the same network you are going to be sending from on Binance. If you select the TRC20 here and you select ERC20 on Binance, you are going to lose your assets. Do you get it? So whichever network that you are selecting, if it is BSC BEP20 that you are selecting, you must also ensure that it is the same BSC BEP20 that you are going to select from your Binance account that you are sending from. So now let us select BSC BEP20. So if you select that, it's going to take you to the next page where you are going to actually copy your wallet address. So now what do you have? So it has already taken you to the next page. So this is the next page that you are actually going to copy from. So what do you do? So make sure that this is the network that you are sending into, that you are also going to be sending from. This is also the wallet address that you are going to copy. So you click on this icon and what you copy the wallet address. I hope you get it. So you can also decide to also click on save as picture. So it's going to save as picture for you, but just also, if you don't want to stress yourself, you can just click on copy address that you have here. You get it right now. So that is what you are going to do. So just click on copy address and make sure that you note the network that you are sending from, BSC BEP20. All right guys, so now let's go back to Binance. So now I'm back to Binance. So you are going to long press here, long press to paste. Do you get it? So if you long press, you'll be able to what? You'll be able to paste what you have copied, the wallet address that you've copied from Bybit. Do you get that? So you've pasted it already. So next is for us to select the network. Select the network that you are actually going to be sending into. Do you get it? So now just click on the drop down icon that you have here to select the network that you want to send into. So now you have the Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Ethereum, and as I've told you, make sure that you stick to the network that you selected from the receiving account, which is the first one that you have, a BNB Smart Chain BEP20, and then you are going to click on it and you select it. Hope you get it right now. So now you have selected it already. So what do you do? Put in your withdraw amount. So you can see minimum that you can withdraw is actually 5. So and then, but in this case, I want to actually transfer or withdraw everything. So you are going to click on max. Click on max, and once you click on max, it will actually give you the everything that you have in your wallet here. Do you get it? And then you will have this withdrawal enabled. Do you get it? So all right, let's proceed. So now you've already selected max, so now click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, it's going to take you to the next phase. So on the next phase, you have it ensure that the address is correct and on the same network. Transaction cannot be cancelled. I've said that already. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on confirm. Click on confirm, and then you are going to authenticate your transaction. So based on the level of your authentication, so for me, I'm using authenticator app, I'm using phone number, I'm using email address. Do you get it? So whichever authentication you are doing, make sure that you insert the details and then you submit the information. Do you get it? So now let me copy the code from my authenticator app so then I can submit and finalize the transaction. So I've already copied and pasted it, and then the withdrawal is processing. Just as simple as that, straightforward and direct, with no error, with no issues. I believe I've been able to guide you through concerning how you can withdraw crypto or transfer crypto from Binance to Bybit. If you enjoyed this video, please ensure that you like this video, subscribe, and also share with friends. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section below. All right, guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space with Tim Bees. Bye for now.